my YouTube channel Improve with Jyoti. If you want to improve your English, please join my channel and subscribe and press the bell icon, जिससे कि आपको हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियोस की नोटिफिकेशन मिलती रहेगी। आज का टॉपिक है हमारा How to overcome the fear of speaking English. We have fear, that's why we cannot speak. How can we get rid by this fear? So this type problem all have. This is very common problem. If you want to speak English, you have to come out from this fear. This is problem all people, those are learning English, they all face this type problem. So if you want learn English, you have to get rid this fear. You have to not think about this fear. So first you have to identify which type fear you have. Which type fear you have. You have to identify. You have fear that people will laugh. You have okay, they laugh. They will laugh 1 day, 2 days. How many days they will laugh? They will laugh and some days they will forget. So you have to not think about that. You have to think about if you want to speak English. You have to not think about that fear. You have to identify your mistakes. You are making mistake, okay, because we learn from mistakes. Without mistake we cannot learn. We have to learn from mistakes. We learn from our mistakes. So we have to not think about mistakes. Our mistakes are our teacher. This is not, English is not our mother language. English is international language. So in childhood we learn that Hindi, that is our mother tongue. So English is not our mother tongue. So we feel fear while speaking. So how can you get rid? If you have fear that people will if you communicate with someone, so people will make fun with you, they will catch your mistake, you have this type fear. So first you have to do, what you have to do? First you have to stand in front of mirror, you have to talk with yourself. You have to talk with yourself, you have to take any topic, you have to talk by yourself. You have to make eye contact with that. You have to make eye contact with that. Then you can get your confidence. The fear will go. You have to think that you are in water. You have to come from that water. Then you can remove your fear. If you think always about fear, that you are thinking about fear, people will laugh, you cannot ever speak English. I had also this type fear. That time I was speaking first time in beginning. I was speaking front of camera. I was very nervous. I was not able to speak because of fear. I don't know which type fear was that, but it was coming from inside. I was not speaking well because of fear. I had this type of problem. So how did I face? I did practice front of mirror 1 month daily. That's why now I can speak front of camera. In 1 month I got able this type. I can speak front of camera. So if you want like me, you can do also. You can think because no one is looking you front of mirror. You can look yourself. You can catch your mistake. Where are you wrong? You can correct yourself. If you after that with family you can speak something in English. By that you can improve, because with family which type fear, you can speak in English. Somehow you can, from there you will learn how to speak. Your fear will remove. Day by day you will see yourself. Your fear will remove. Day by day your fear will go. if you practice, for that you have to do practice. Practice is more important. You know, practice makes perfect. If you do practice, you will be perfect. If you want to speak English, I was that I will speak English. How can I learn? So why I can learn, I have to do practice. So what do? I take a notebook, what thoughts come in my mind, I write them. I read loud. I speak them out, because my speaking will improve by that. My speaking will, I am also like you. I am not a fluent speaker. I am also learner like you. If you want to learn, you have to come out from water. You are in water, you have to come. So you have to do practice for that. You have to not think about people. They laugh at you. They will, if you make mistakes. We make mistakes. In starting, I was also I was making mistake. Now also somehow I make mistake, because no one is correct here. No one is as much fluenter that can speak. All people make mistake. They have step before starting. In starting, we make some mistakes. Day by day, it improve. Day by day, you will improve. You can speak. You can take any object. Small object, you can take banana. This is banana. It is this shape. This is mango. This is very yummy. Like this, you can make sentence. Small, not make big, because in starting you cannot make big sentence. So you have to overcome. If you want to speak in English, you have to not think about people. You have to think about yourself. Yes, I have to speak. Whatever people are laughing at me, you have to not think about that. You have to think about that. Yes, I will speak. I will speak. I have to not focus on people. I have to not think about people. They will think that if they have learnt English, they will not say like this. If they will support you. If you are speaking wrong, they will support you. By that you will get motivated. You can speak more. If they don't want to learn, they don't know what is English, they will laugh only. They have this type thinking as well. So if you want to speak in English, you have to speak. You have to not think about fear. You have to remove your shyness. You have to remove your fear. If you got confidence by speaking in front of mirror, you can speak in public. You can speak anywhere. If you go anywhere, you can speak in English. If you have not fear. If you have fear, you cannot speak with family as well. If you have fear, so remove this fear. So get confidence by removing fear. You can get confidence. So today topic is that how can we remove our fear while speaking English. So our topic is completed. If you get something, do from today. Don't think tomorrow. You have to think today and you have to do. Practice from today. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. By that you will get all notification of videos. How to improve our English, how can we improve our English. So thank you.